this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So today is a new video for my new playlist. It is called The Favorites. So I really like watching these favorite videos because you get to know new products, you get to know what are they used, and just it's like a little informative. I thought why not do myself, and there might be people who might actually like it. So today I'm gonna do the August favorite, and also since it's my first time, I think I have added a lot of categories in this video and a lot of things to tell you guys. So let's get started. So as I told you, I have a lot of categories to share with you guys because my channel is not just about makeup or not just about vlogs or not just about one thing. It has a lot of mix and match things. So I thought why not bring everything down here. So the first category is makeup category. The first product I'm going to show you under this makeup category is this Himalaya lip balm. The reason why I'm showing you under the favorite is this is my all-time product for lip. Like every time, even if I feel a little dryness in my lip, this thing I use, this works so well. I have like bunch of these. I keep in my backpack, my handbag, under my pillow, everywhere. Also as a lip scrub, like my lips is very dry and very pigmented. What I do is after brushing, I take a little bit, apply it, and with a toothbrush just for lip purpose, I just scrub it. You can also use a home remedy, but I use this when I don't have a home remedy paste with me. The second product is actually my sister suggested it to me. So I wanted to try different makeup, like different type of makeup, different shades, like use different shades and colors. So I was very confused, but my sister watched it in some YouTube video and she suggested me to buy this. She doesn't know anything about makeup, but then also she's like, you just have a look at this and try it. So what I did, I saw the palette and I really like it. It is the Makeup Revolution palette in collaboration with Dami. This is the palette. When I saw these colors, I was so impressed by these colors. Just look at the colors. I have every color that I need in this palette. Obviously you don't have nudes in this, and I'm totally okay with it because I wanted like proper this pigmented colors. I've been using these Raste Wala eyeshadow palette that I buy for 80 rupees or 100 rupees. In Colaba you'll find 100 rupees eyeshadow palette, but I use lens, and when I use those eyeshadow, they kind of irritate and they have a lot of fallout, and when I want to do creative eye looks, they don't stick there for a longer time, and it's just not comfortable doing creative eyeshadows using those eyeshadow palette. So I thought let's just invest in this. I love this palette. I also like the fact that it has a mirror here. The quality of the mirror is also nice. It's not a cheap product. All my looks I created a tiger eye, cheetah eye and butterfly eye look. I used this palette and I really love this palette. This is my first a proper makeup brand palette. Moving on to the third product is this makeup sponge. This makeup sponge is from Miniso. So I randomly bought it. I really like the box. And the other good thing about this makeup sponge is it's so soft and it's so squishy. And I like the cut over here. It already has the cut over here. It's easy for you to do the under eye makeup. All the products in this video, I'm gonna put their link in the description box so that it's easy for you to find them and also see if they have any good deals or no. Moving on to the next makeup thing is this primer. This is my first ever primer, Reasonable primer. It is for 300, but from Amazon I bought it for a little discount. I think I bought it for 230 rupees because it was in discount. It helps my makeup stay for a longer time. So if you are a person who wants a primer at a reasonable rate, go for this one. This is kind of like a silicone based transparent primer. Is the show category. Now this is very different from the makeup category. So I love watching movies and series. Like I really love them. I watch them and I try to act like them. I really love series, but in this August month I honestly didn't watch much series because I was really busy. But the one series I saw like 2 days back was the Masaba series. The reason I started watching this series with a mindset that I thought that there will be a lot about fashion, I'll get to know a lot about fashion. I didn't know that it is actually her life things, like a part of her life. It's just one thing that I feel that there's less fashion in it. And Neena Gupta Oh my god, I love her so much. So next category is clothes. By this category, I don't mean any clothes that I bought. It means any old clothes that I found recently and I'm in love with it again. So the first thing is this t-shirt. So this t-shirt is my mama's t-shirt, but now she feels that it's a little tight for her. So she gave it to me and I really love this color. This is how the t-shirt looks, but it is kind of a large size and I'm okay with it. I like the baggy and the loose effect it has. I wear it, I fold the sleeves, and I like to wear like big chunk jewelries with it. So the second one is this scarf thing. So bachpan mein mom actually use this scarf to make me into a Shiva. So if I find the picture, I'll put it on the screen. So we were cleaning like an old cupboard and we found this scarf and I was like, just give it to me. And I really love this scarf. I also use it for my recent pictures as a scarf bandana on my head, and I really like the pictures. I'll put the pictures for you guys. I used this scarf and this t-shirt together and it looked so nice. Okay, moving on to the next category is art and stationery category. First, initially I thought I'll separate it, but then I thought let's just combine it together. Any favorite art of mine or any favorite stationery, I'm gonna put it here. So the first stationery item is the watercolor cakes. So I always thought these small Camlin watercolor cake or any other brand watercolor cakes is for children, and then later when I grew I used to use the Camlin ka tube wala watercolors and I thought that is what a watercolor means. But then recently I wanted to buy a very cheap very at a lower price watercolor. I thought why not, let's try it and use it, and I started using it and I thought it is so travel friendly because it's just so small and it's not that messy because tube ka you have to put it on a palette. For a person like me who just does minimal watercolor painting and only sometimes, it's really nice. So if you're a person who just wants to do thoda sa watercoloring for your doodles, you can go and buy those Camlin or any other brand watercolor cake. The second one is an art book, like a sketchbook that I bought. I wanted a small sketchbook. This is a small sketchbook that I got. I wanted a very small sketchbook, but this was the smallest one that I could find in the shop. I bought it from Itsy Bitsy. Now those were the stationaries. Now let's talk about my favorite art of mine. I just want to talk about my stuff here. So my favorite art from this month was, first one was a Krishna painting that I do for Krishna Jayanti for my art page. If you don't follow my art page, you can go and follow. I'll put the link, I'll put the ID here. The next I drew was for Ganesh Chaturthi and it came out so nice. The third one is a series that I'm doing on my Instagram and my art page. It is the 30 days of design. So every day I put on one design on my reels. So if you want some design inspiration, you can go and check out my art page. The next category is songs. Oh my god, I love songs so much. I need songs every time. Jadu pocha, I need songs. While taking shower, I need songs. While doing the bartan, I need songs. While cooking, I need songs. I need songs literally everywhere, every time. So because of TikTok, you get to know new songs. Like I used to follow only a set of artists, like proper thoda sa artists. But then because of TikTok, you get to know more and more songs, and then you find new artists. So that is the one thing I miss about TikTok. So the first song is this Backyard Boy. I really like that song. I'm not gonna play that song because then I'll get copyright issue. So I'm gonna leave that song over here. I really like that. I'm just so addicted. And the next song is Take Her to Dancing. I like the da 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 da. You really like it if you listen to it, and the da 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 da. You'll know it once you listen to that song. I really like that song. The third song is from this movie, like an old movie, like thoda old movie, Hindi movie, that is from the movie Talash. It is a song Muskani Jhoothi Hai from Talash. Oh my god, I love that song. So I used to listen. It was my favorite like years back when it got released. Now again I started listening to that song and I really love it. So these are my top 3 favorite songs. So the next category is my favorite self-portraits or like self-photography that I did in this month. The first thing is the picnic setup that I did in my house because we really can't go out and I literally wanted to do a nice setup for a photo shoot. So I bought all the random items together from my house, from different places together at one place, and I set it up in a nice really cute picnic setup. The next one is some makeup works that I did. The first makeup I did was a tiger eye look. I am so loving this look. I thought okay ठीक रहेगा, इतना खास नहीं आएगा, but it came out so nice. It's my favorite. Next category is gadgets. Now I don't know why I bought this category, because I have only one thing and I wanted to include it in some category. So the gadget I'm going to talk about is the Bose Bluetooth headphones. I've always wanted a Bluetooth headphone because the wire thing, the problem is that you have to take your phone everywhere because the wire is connected. The noise cancellation, the quality, the sound, everything is so nice. So the next category is skincare category. The first item I want to talk about is the Cetaphil moisturizer. So I saw this in couple of videos, like a couple of influencers, people using this moisturizer, and I saw reviews on YouTube about this, and they said it is not good for oily skin. Now I am a person who has really oily skin and a sensitive skin, but still I bought this. I don't use it on like daily. What I do is before makeup I use this moisturizer, because when you put makeup you need so much hydration, and this gives me like proper moisture and hydration to my skin, so I really like this. So next skincare is from the brand Wow. So I actually got the face wash, the toner, the cream and the serum, and I use that every day. At least I use the face wash, the toner and serum every day, and I'm really liking how it's being on my skin, how it is reacting to my skin. My skin has become a little clear and glowing, so I really like those products. Okay guys, so those were my August favorites. This was my first time and I hence had so many products to share with you guys. I hope you guys found it helpful, like this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, press the bell icon, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.